Well, I've been a professional hunter in my younger days, so I did bow hunting, but I was Vice President of Training and Development at the South African Hunters and Game Conservation Association, and they realized that the average age of the members are becoming older and older, so they needed obviously to get younger people involved, and research determined that the Americans in Kentucky had the same problem, and they came up with a solution of archery in the schools, a program that they developed. So in May 2008 I went to Kentucky and did the training and brought the archery, the specific code of archery, then called NASP, today called AGA, brought it to South Africa, and today we are 5 African countries involved, and all the provinces involved, close to 2,500 members enjoying this wonderful sport of Africa Genesis archery. What is wonderful about the specific sport is that everyone can do it. Everyone.
Toe ons begin het ons eerste finale, het die totaal gehad van 54 deelnemers. Ons is op hierdie oomblik is ons net oor die 2000 aktiewe lede wat betrokke is in die sport.
Dis 9 provinsies wat oor Suid-Afrika bymekaar kom en wat uitgestaan het is die sportmangees.
I think what stood out for me was how friendly everyone is. Like how everyone doesn't yell at you, oh, you shot a 4 out of 10. But no, everyone is so friendly.
And seeing how that child developed, having parents that said, what did you do to my child? He's changed so much. And that is what AGA, Africa Genesis Archery, bring to our archers.
En om daai kinders te sien hoe begin hulle te blom, om te sien hoe hulle 'n passie ontwikkel vir boogskiet.
Hierdie jaar se toernooi is een van die interessantstes wat ons sover gehad het.
I don't know a lot of other sports that have this positive energy.
En ek dink dit is wat saak maak. Al doen jy sleg in 'n sport, jy moet nog steeds geniet.
Let's go.
Okay, ek doen al boogskiet vir 3 jaar. Ek het begin in graad 8 by Spartan Warriors in Gauteng.
Dit is eintlik scary om te sien hoeveel mense daar buite het talent.
I think what stood out for me was how friendly everyone is.
Boogskiet is iets anders. Dit is glad nie dieselfde as enige ander sport nie.
I think the tournament went really well. I enjoyed both the 3D and the bullseye.
Boogskiet het my lewe verander deur my meer selfvertroue te gee.
In short, I think it's really awesome. It's really good sports, and I don't know a lot of other sports that have this positive energy.
Ek geniet hierdie boogskiet en ek geniet dit dat kinders en ons almal saam kan staan en saam iets doen. En dis nie net vir jouself nie, maar saam met 'n span ook. So
I love it so much because it's a sport which helps me control my mind and body.
This one's always been very strong physically, but mentally it's done wonders for him. It's helped him to be more self-aware in terms of his mindset, his composure.
Made Jared more confident, more disciplined.
It's definitely taught me discipline. It's definitely taught me to not be lazy. I know when I lie down in my bed or on the couch, I know that people are practicing to be better than me. And that's taught me a lot about discipline and self-respect.
It inspires our kids drastically, yes. This sport has mentally and physically, prepared her for life.
It's only 1 or 2 sports that you actually can participate in as a family.
So this is one of those sports where from young up until 80 years old, you can still do archery.
So dit gun jou daai tyd wat jy net kan rustig saam familie wees.